Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a custom favicon to your website using the Theme Builder page settings. A favicon is simply a small icon that appears next to your website's page title in browser tabs and also next to web pages that individuals have bookmarked using their browser. So, a favicon icon is usually a variation of a logo that makes it easy for somebody to identify what page they're on in a tab or what page they've bookmarked in their bookmark list. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is navigate to the page settings in the theme builder. You do that by clicking the settings cog here. Now you can see there's all types of page settings available, but the favicon setting is under the general page settings. Now it's very simple to add a favicon. All you do is either upload it and select the file from your file system, or select an image that's already been uploaded, like we're going to do right here. Once the image is selected, all you do is click the apply button, and that will apply your custom favicon so that it's set. There you go. As you can see, the favicon.png file is being used for the favicon. Now when users view your website in tabs in their browser or bookmark a page, this little icon will be displayed next to the page title. There you go. You've just seen how quick and easy it is to add a custom favicon to your website using the Theme Builder page settings. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we show you how to use more page settings in Warhead. Thanks for watching.